Kind of. Yeah, it's hard to explain, and it's honestly a concept that I still really don't like understand to the greatest of, aspects, but that is like on its simplest term, you're like yeah, you're like, instead of trying to multiply a number by itself, you're trying to find what the lowest, like, extra. I don't even know. It's hard to explain, but yeah, it's a reverse spectrum. It's like division is multiplication. It's logarithms to exponents.
It can't be that complex.
Yeah, no, it is pretty easy. Like,
It's like hard to explain.
yeah, it's hard to explain because you also have, like, the way that they're written is like we can have a different base number, so you can have logarithms like a base set of 10, which is normal. That's what, like, our normal counting system is a base 10 counting system. Like, you 0 to 9. So the 10 numbers are counting system. So it's normal when you're doing logarithms as a base 10. You can also do logarithms as a base like 2, which is typical for computer science. 0 to 1. So that's where, like, a logarithm base 2 is binary counting. But so most of the time you wouldn't even have to worry about it. Yours are probably all base 10 logarithms. Yeah, I was gonna say, well, they probably, in all fairness, you probably won't go that far, because like I said, like, we don't, the tradition. So, like, unless you go into computer science where you have different counting systems, it's like binary, which counts to 2. So you have, like, different logarithm bases with computers, but in a normal traditional mathematical sense, you're only working with the 0 to 9 base. Like, yeah. I don't know, long-winded. Well, I do love math, though. Right. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get going. Yeah. I'll be done here in a couple hours. Hot air blowing in.
Okay, sorry everybody. I was gonna get going and then I had a small emergency I had to attend to. It's gonna be about 2 seconds. I'll be actually on and we'll get coded. All right. Welcome in everybody. Let's get the music going. Doesn't look too loud. Hopefully that's not too loud. I'll let some people trickle in. We'll see if that there. We'll do about there. Minus 30. We'll see how that is. And, make sure we get all of our windows open. Perfect, proper. All right. Let's do this. So, I can't lie to everybody here. I already have a version of this project written. I wrote it once in JavaScript, like as a React app. I wrote it once in Python with Tkinter, Tkinter, I imagine is how you pronounce it. Still not super familiar with all of my Python stuff, so this is me kind of learning Python, messing with Tkinter a little bit more. And that's the version of this project that we're going to write today. We're going to go through that, probably adding and subtracting some things, changing some stuff wherever we see fit. But I do have like a basic outline of how to create like a console-based, or not a console-based, but a Tkinter-based, like a window based little text game. It's gonna have some buttons and such that we can do. So I have some code that I'll probably be reading from as well from time to time. If you ever see me looking over and kind of getting a gist of like, okay, here's the next function that we're gonna write out. So these are planned. This isn't just off the cuff. I'm not just writing a game off the cuff. That's not what we're gonna do. So let's start out. We're gonna name this main.py and let's get going. Just gonna import all of our projects here. Oh. Let's do this a little bit. Yeah, there we go. All right. Random. And we're going to use SQLite built into the Python standard library. That's going to be the best for us to just keep a database of the player's stats that we can go from. And then we don't have to worry about keeping all of all right. So what are we going to call the game? Could just call it. I'm going to call it Hero's Journey. All right. First things first, let's get our init method going. Oh yeah, we do want. All right. And we know this is all from Tkinter. Oh. Why are you being like this? Shenanigans. I just noticed that with OBS doing shenanigans. Why'd it change that to should be like 265 minus that 8 there. There we go. There it is. That was weird. Okay. We have proper OBSing. All right. Good deal. Good deal. Jeebs. It's like, what is it doing there, man? All right. And then we need enemies. Oh, we want enemies. And the current location, right? Where are we going to start the player, right? Say the inn. Okay. And I think right now, aside from that, what do we want to do? We want to set up the GUI. We'll do that later. And we're going to have show location. And we will worry about save data last. Say the inside of the inn. All right. Ooh, this is jazzy. I like that. So let's set up the GUI. We're also going to come down here and let's make some comments of what we need. We're going to need player data, right? We're going to need enemy data. We're going to need location data. What else are we gonna need? We need database setup. We'll need to do that. Let's see, what else do we have in here in the project? We'll want items slash inventory. I mean, this should be it for right now. This should be all right. We'll start from there. So first things first, we need to set up the area for us to look at. We need us to be able to look at something. So we should just need the self on that. Which is one of the weirdest things about This whole thing, what are we gonna do? 292929. That's good gray color. Yeah, good like dark gray, almost black. We'll do that. This should be... Did we not, Did we not? Yeah, we did forget one. We did forget one import statement. But that should take care of that. Huh. Self.rot. You know what we probably didn't do? Actually, now that I think about it. Oh, hi, Hal. Thank you for the lurk. I don't think we actually, Oh, I don't know if we pip installed. Yeah, I didn't think so. We didn't, we missed a step. Which is fine. I'm just gonna install this globally. Nobody who knows Python, please don't get mad at me. I know I'm not setting up a virtual environment for this one product. Just gonna globally install this one. Is that not the package name? I just assumed that was the package name. Nah, it's just TK. That's what I get. Yeah, I should have had it. That's fine. Alright. We want and let's do You know what we might do real quick is stew. Oh, that makes it quite big. We're gonna have to redo the transform on that. There we go. Okay. And we can start in the village. There we go. We'll do it that way. You have a wonderful 58 warnings. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Eshish. Somebody from the poop tube, which is surprising. Nobody from YouTube usually shows up. Okay. Yes, we want to change definitely these up here. One thing I need to do better is comment. Well, no, I have I got better comments, but just before anybody says anything, I already know that I don't remember where that specific font color is gonna be. It's whoa, there, guy. Should be somewhere in inventory. Add inventory. Inventory button. USA, where are you from? It's good to hear that you're doing good, though. Always better to do good than be doing bad. Good's better than okay. Here we go. Here's our inventory window. All right. Oh, style configure notebook tab. Yeah, it should be this one. Yeah. So let's do. Whoop. We reloaded it twice. The first one for getting a job later. It's a fantastic question. I would recommend as a first year to do your classes. I wouldn't worry at all about learning a programming language for a job later. Because the language can come later with time. What you want to do is learn your fundamentals, learn what variables are, learn what functions are, learn what arguments are, learn in any language. It really doesn't matter the language. Learn your fundamentals in any language. I started personally with JavaScript. I wouldn't personally recommend JavaScript as the first language. It's not a bad one, honestly. It's very loose, being dynamically typed. But I mean, the best first language to learn, Python's a great first language to learn because it's all built on C, so you'll end up like learning some concepts. Like ideally, if you go deep enough into Python, you'll learn about like how everything is an object and about memory addresses and everything. But I would literally just, as a first year, focus just on your fundamentals. Don't worry about like what programming language, because you'll learn a couple different programming languages. Like especially first year, you're probably going to learn like a little bit of C++. You'll probably learn a little bit of Python. You'll probably learn about like computer fundamentals and like a little bit of like your basic intro to computer science stuff. What is a bit versus a byte? So yeah, it's a good question, but for right now in the very first year, I would just say focus on whatever language they're telling you to work on that one, and just learn the fundamentals and really drill those into your head. Really drill the fundamentals into your head. I can't tell you, it was probably 6 or 7 months into learning programming when I finally understood like what an argument is, which is like a very basic part of programming. Like arguments are one of the simplest concepts like to understand, and it took me a long time to grasp that. And I could write a function and I could put an argument into a function and kind of knew what it did, but I didn't really, like, I couldn't have described the concept of like defining a function and having a parameter when you define the function and then putting in an argument when you call the function. That process to me didn't make sense for a while. So learn that. Learn your fundamentals. Also, the job market's going to change in 4 years when you graduate. So like whatever I say right now is probably not going to be what it is in 4 years. Although learn Java. Actually, it seems like Java is like the C or Java. If you're really looking to like get a job later and you just want to spend 4 years learning one language, learn Java or C. Almost guaranteed to get a job. College in India isn't great. Oh, you're from India. The professors are hard to understand. Oh, to learn Python properly. Gosh. So being from the US, it seems like you understand English fairly well, or you speak English fairly fluently. So anything I'm gonna recommend you is gonna be in English. Let's see. Freecodecamp.org is a wonderful website. Let me so I used them through a link in the chat. I used them to learn web development, and I know they have some Python courses. They're really good. I know that they do, though, also, they have a good YouTube channel, and they have a lot of really long, really good courses. I think they have like a 12-hour course on Python that I watched one time. That one was really good. To learn Python, what I would really recommend doing is, let me find the name. So there's a book here. This book right here, Data Structures and Algorithms in Python. And then, the book part, that is, I just copy pasted that from Google, so I'm sorry that it's like a little weird, but yeah, by Michael H. Goldwasser, Michael T. Goodrich, and Roberto Tomasia. I probably butchered all their names. I would definitely recommend giving that a read. The very first, what is it, the first 2 chapters, I think, or the first two or three chapters, I want to say, are just about Python and like the fundamentals of Python, how the language itself operates. So I would recommend freecodecamp.org's YouTube tutorial, and then I would recommend picking up that book. You can find it for free. If you just search that book online, you can find the PDF file for free, the entire book, and you can read the book front to back. They have exercises in there for everything. You'll learn everything, like literally everything about, like, they start with the fundamentals of programming. You'll learn about variables, functions, and then you get into, like, I think chapter 5 is completely about recursion. So like that one for sure. That's a great read. You can pick that up for free. %, yeah. I'm still in the middle of reading Data Structures and Algorithms. That's also, so like this entirely, like I said, so JavaScript is my first language. That's my primary language, JavaScript, TypeScript. That's web dev is like my primary knowledge base. I'm still teaching myself Python. I'm learning this all myself, and through CodeCamp's tutorial and reading that book, I've been able to make a small Python program that, so when we run it here, this is just a little text game, and I'll maximize this just so you can see it a little bit better, but here's just a little player adventure with some stats, a little attack and defense, and you can go between a couple locations, like through town, and then you can go out into the forest, and you can enter into the forest, and hey, I can try to explore. I got an item, and I can explore a little bit deeper, and oh no, I ran into an enemy. I think I just have them named enemy right now. I don't think I actually like put real enemies in there, and we'll try to attack them. Oh gosh. No, I think I got knocked out. Yeah, I need to add some more text into the, I think it's clearing. I think that was one of the big bugs that I had, was it's like clearing every line of text until the last one, the way I have the functions called by accident, but yeah, especially Data Structures and Algorithms, that one's really, really good. We do have 2 health potions. Yeah, first things first, we gotta get that. I want to get those tabs changed up, which should be, let's just start, because I thought it was the actual tab background, but it might be selected tab background. Okay. Okay. Two nine. Still nothing on that one. I really thought it was these ones here. Yeah, there's the button frame. Ooh. Kicking stuff around. That's what I get for having a cord around. Starting to understand Meester's thing with cords. Okay, we got a color to change. I don't know why it won't change the background tab color in the background area. I mean, that works, but it's... I would like if I could now then... Let's try red. I know that red off the top of my head. I shouldn't, but I do. Yeah, okay, so that's... Okay. That's not bad. What about, oh, I can't remember any blues off the top of my head. This is the worst part for me is color theory. So, hex codes for blues. Let's check out some good. Well, I can't hardly read that. That's silly. Why would they? This one site has, puts like the hex code on the layer of blue, and some of them are like too light and you can't read the, it's ridiculous. So 0096FF. (0096FF). I don't think that did anything. Maybe I didn't. Did I not? Okay, we gotta make sure. Saving the file. Definitely saved the file. Yeah. I'm really unsure what values are like over. Something's got to be like overwriting those values somewhere, perhaps? Or something? I don't understand why some of it. That's a great question. To be honest, right now, nothing. Market's pretty trash right now. Build yourself something unique. I know that sounds like a cop-out answer, but like build like a full stack application. Don't just build like a little to-do app or something, you know? Like don't do the small little projects that everybody wants you to. Do something that's like larger with in-depth understanding. Like for instance, I didn't really start to understand like front end, back end, like full stack web development until I started building a recipe sharing platform. So like whole front end in React, TypeScript, and then back end using Python, and mostly just like learning how like the database interacts, like being able to get a database that interacts with your application, learning about authentication, like how do users sign in, you know? So like pick a big project, pick something that's going to give you a very big in-depth understanding in the area that you wish to be hired in, because there's also a lot of different areas of programming. So like, I mean, what are you interested in? Like, are you going to go web development? Are you going to do embedded systems? Are you going to do cybersecurity? What angle are you going on? That'll help you pick what projects to put in your portfolio, I would say. Yeah, I mean, it works as is, but it's kind of ridiculous. Yeah, all those weird little errors I noticed were like Tkinter errors as well. Like, working with this library gave me a lot of anxiety because I have all of these like type literal warnings, but I mean, it runs. Okay, so the upgrades still work. That's nice. Blacksmith's forge glows with heat. And that's good. We can read. Select. We don't want to try. I don't want to try to use that just yet, just in case. So let's go out into the forest. Okay. Would I have called it battle? Yeah, sure I would have called it battle. Yep, start battle. Okay. It's been, if anybody's wondering, it's been a little while since I've been inside of this thing. I made this a little while ago. Add text onto the main display. Okay. So I'm definitely adding text to it. Inside of here, clear the buttons there. I'm not clearing it anywhere in here. Okay, so it's probably in the GUI. Ooh, we got our first ad break coming up. let's see here. I am pretty positive it's here. It is how we're appending the text to the display. So we might need to do, that's going to be interesting. Oh, ad break. I will be right back. Okay, we're back. Back from our break. So, did a little playing around as well. Wanted to see. So it is that line that's deleting all of my text. So what we're probably just going to want to do is write a new function in the, oh, I knew, yeah, you guys just missed the ad break. Oh, no, just missed it. What's up, everybody? Oh shit, gang's all here. Mike, Todd, Herschel, and more. Who's? I feel like that's got to be from something. Gary and Jonesy. I mean, I don't Jonesy for okay. It's like is that from something? Now I'm thinking Jonesy from I was thinking from Reno 911. Jonesy. Speaking of Jonesy, there's a jazz artist named Boney Jones. You guys should check him out. Boney Jones and his Boneyisms. What the get out of here? That mess out of here. Ah, thank you, sir. On the quickness. I didn't realize that I didn't have my my thing open. Okay, so I think what I want to do here is just make we're gonna do clear and append text. Yeah, because we want this to basically be we want this to now be, oh my gosh, I can't type the word self. What the old function was, and then we're gonna put this in place. Oh, a ban alert? I didn't know I could set one of those up. I didn't know what that is. Oh, I'm making I'm working on one of my versions of this. If it'll, oh, she's not gonna run because of this. Hold on. There we go. Oh, you made, oh, okay, so you made a like a one in streamer bot, so when it that's cool. I'll have to check into that. You haven't done much with streamer bot outside of the chat game. It's like the only thing I've really done with it. But yeah, I'm just working on, it's this is one of the versions of the chat game. The problem I was having before was it was deleting all of the lines of text except for the last one when I was switching areas. As you can see now, it deletes none. So I'm just doing a little bit of cleanup. Just something, learning Python more. Something different. I needed a break after Metal Gear Solid 3. And Trey voted that I do Pac-Man 2. Would you ever be down to play Pac-Man 2? Because if you're not, I told him I would play it for him. because he keeps suggesting Pac-Man 2. It won't stop with the Pac-Man 2, and I'm like, I was like, I'm down for the suffering. I was like, I will play it for like, yeah, do it for like what, like an hour or two. You know, we don't have to beat the game. I don't think looking at that game, I don't think I could beat it. But yeah, I told him for him, I was like, fine. I'll play Pac-Man 2. Okay, so what we would want, we want it to basically be that whole function up right above it. Yeah, I don't like... This is the only reason I think I don't like PyCharm as much. I like this mode, but like... I like this, what is it, presentation mode that it has. I don't like its autocomplete. It does too much autocomplete, and I don't like that. It takes away from the mistakes that I make constantly, and I don't appreciate it. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like it's well, and I think it's because PyCharm is from JetBrains, and they're usually paid IDEs, and I think it's they put their AI copilot like in the IDE. So instead of like how you on VS Code go to Code Copilot and you're like, hey, give me a function, and then it gives you a function. I'm pretty sure in here it's just like auto. I bet I can turn that off now that I think about it. Let's check it out. Let's look at the settings and see what we can't do about like autocomplete settings. Editor, code editing. Show quick documentation. I like. There's a lot of things about this editor that I like. The autocomplete is not one of them. I don't think it's no auto import is if you this one's really cool. If you have like a library, I'm pretty sure like installed, you go to use a function from it, it'll just add the import statement at the top if you didn't like import the module, which is really cool. They're not called modules in Python. What are they called? Yeah, Notepad plus. Notepad plus plus. Auto. Code completion, there it is. Okay. Insert parentheses automatically, yes. Yes. Machine learning assisted completion. Found it, everybody. We found it. Apply. Okay. Now let's see what we like. Let's see what we get if we. Oh no, that's inside of a function. Python and its indenting and not having braces for insides and outsides of functions makes me want to fucking choke somebody. It's all right. So Yes. 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 See, previously, it would have started auto-completing me something that would have been like, you know, nearby, something about a location or something. But it allows me to now create a function just called butthole surfing inside Meester Head. And I can make this a function where we have spicy dot add, and we're gonna have Meester dot butthole. No, we just want to. Nah. No, that's actually a lot better though. I like it without its machine learning shenanigans. Okay, so we should have, now we have our clear and append text methods. Now, where was we? Yeah, because that's what it was doing. I was like, I made enemies, like, to fight in the game. And every time I was going to fight an enemy, it just said enemy HP, 12 out of 12. And I was like, well, that's not what it's supposed to say. Okay. No, it didn't do what I wanted it to do. That's what I wanted you to do. Yeah. Yeah, it it's more just a silly mistake. Definitely getting good. I will say this is one of my favorite things. Okay. So yeah, I don't want to highlight any of those problems, but one of my favorite things about this this editor as well. So like what was it where you can make it think there are typos if you want to type certain words a certain way. Like I should have just gone to the typos that I had that were up before, but like I think one of them was this. So this is like a package, like a Python package. This is an import that you do, just like because it's how you're supposed to do it. And this code editor, as opposed to VS Code, gave me like a little green squiggly underneath the TTK, and they were like, there's a typo there. And it's not a typo. It's computers, and computer nerds make they type thing. Everything is dumb. Everything is a dumb way of like spelling something, or there's an acronym, or you know, like it makes it silly that they're like, we're gonna tell you. Yeah, so that should be. Let's run that and see what we get. But we don't want to clear and append on the first one. Yeah, I was gonna say, it's one of those, overall though, I do like this editor for Python. Just, if nothing else, this presentation mode I think is really nice. I think this is good, like when I was looking at how I set up the screen, because it was hard to find a place like for my camera and the chat and everything and a text editor. So I decided to make a little overlay, like a little small overlay. And I think this is the best way to do it. That way the text should be large enough like to read. I actually really like it because it makes the text like really large to read, and you only get about, is that 40 lines on the screen? So it makes it really concise, like what function I'm looking at. I can really only look at like a function at a time. Really helps to focus in. Now, this is going to, yeah. That's okay. I mean, Oh, okay. I've got an idea. Okay. There we go. Let's try that. And then, right. Oh, right. And then... So I want it to not... Is it, it's actually up here, I think. Yeah, because the show location has the buttons tied to it. So that it could have dynamic buttons. Oh yeah, I bet. Is he like on a hike right now or something? I was gonna say, I bet he's glad he's not here. It was the only vote I got on Discord, for like not a video game. Yeah, he's been hiking a lot these last couple days. I don't blame him. Apparently, he sent me a picture on my Discord about it, yesterday. That view looked crazy. It's been super nice up there, apparently. It's been super nice down here, too. That's part of why I got going so late. Yeah, we can't do that up here because we don't have that function defined yet. Okay. Well, yeah, walking dogs. Basically, yeah. His job is just hiking around. But yeah, that's gosh, it looked super nice yesterday. So yeah, so that's the biggest problem we run into with making it. I mean, we don't really need the welcome message, I guess. Yeah, it'd be nice if Za was here though. I mean, a lot of this, in all fairness, is like mostly this library right here. Which is this is all like the text and the windows and the colors and the buttons and everything like that, so a lot of this is very specific to just this. This is like a lot of stuff that may or may not help. I mean, having the init function like in a class like would be helpful, I guess. So I think that'll be fine as long as yes, okay, so that, you know, that works. I'll take it. I attacked the cultists for 0 damage and they hit me for 9. That's not good. Run away and go back to the village. Oh, I got a typo. I guess I could leave it in. That's how they talk. I could part with some rations. Yeah, right. Like it doesn't need to talk to the merchant. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Health pots work. That's always a good. I was gonna say I had this thing fairly fleshed out aside from like detail. It was operational. Cool beans. Okay. So let's try that. Yeah. I will say. Oh shit. Actually hit me pretty hard. Okay, that's not bad. Maybe 15 is a good health. Oh man, those goblin leaders still. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the PyCharm editor. So let's see here. Let me go. So this is like specifically it's from JetBrains. But yeah, well, I mean, yes and yes. So the file itself has this down here at the bottom. I'll go back into view mode. So this code right here, like this specific line as well, lets a Python file be run as an executable, like just as the Python file. And then like this code down here is like using the TK class to set up the windows and everything, right? But I am launching from inside of the IDE because you do have like run main.py, and this would do like essentially the same thing. So let's I want to here we go. Can't. That's fine. Yeah, so it acts the same, so I could put like a print statement in here, right, to just print to the terminal and say like Mr. Head is sexy. Oh, see, perfect. It tells me that your streamer name is a typo. It's a perfect example of like this editor just it doesn't like improper English. But so we'll just put that, right? And now normally you would need like the you would normally need like the if name equals main function at the bottom right, and then you would go into your terminal and you would say Python, which is like the Python executable, and then you would run your file under the Python executable, right? You'd do like Python and then like slash your file or whatever. This cuts all of that out, right? And allows you to just, I have like just a file with just a print statement, and then I can run the current file and it will give me a terminal inside of the editor, which is pretty common. VS Code has like a built-in terminal and stuff as well, but it'll pop that up and give me like, that's the print statement from this file, so it can run the file without needing all of that extra baggage. But I wrote my file also in such a way that I have the extra baggage to where like I'm pretty sure you also need the like if name equals main like bit down at the bottom for God, I blanked. What is that called? It's it is yeah, it's for direct execution. That's what it is. So running the file directly and using it like as opposed to using it as a module so that the file runs. And I don't think you need it though to like package it and make it just an executable. That's just for like testing, I'm pretty sure. But that is a little bit more of the semantical Python. Direct execution. So can I like, it's the one thing about this I will say that I don't like the presentation mode because I can't, it doesn't just let me like switch files. I mean, that works, but yeah, that's all just that's just for like debugging and everything. We have 18 minutes until we got another ad break, everybody, and y'all can do your games. Okay, so I like the stats a little bit better. Here, let's do that all the time. There it is. Could part with some rations. All right. Bah! Tell him to wait. Be like, give me 5 minutes. You know, this will harden 5 minutes. Just fucking around. They walk in the door and you're like, I got more important shit to do. I'm kidding. I am kidding. Oh, God. Aww. Then legit tell him to wait. Then for reals be like, look, I'm just trying to... Look, I'm trying to find the Dragon Balls, my dog. So... It should be less than or equal to. Cost is 5, and it should take the player's gold. Yeah. And the player's gold is in integer, correct? Yeah. Yeah, that's no, that's a shame. Is it? Did I do it on the wrong side? I think I did it on the wrong side. I did it on the wrong side. All right, man. Take it easy. I'll catch you tomorrow. I mean, on the streamings and such. I'm gonna try to get on super early tomorrow and be on, and then like, I think I'm gonna try to do like 6 to 10 in the morning, and then I imagine you'll be on by then, and I'll probably raid out to you, hang out for a little while. Huh. It just didn't update the text, I don't think. Because it took me down 15 after I rested. Ah, I do have an update player info function that I forgot to call. Okay. Right. Oh yeah, that's right there. I'm gonna go on down, go on back down there. I think I scrolled down too far there. Oh, darn it. Darn it. Where did we go? Oh, where'd you go? Oh, it's gonna be buying food there, huh? Oh. Oh, okay, yeah, I do actually want it less, because less than or equal to would mean, yeah. And I think Excuse me, I am so sorry, everybody. It's gross. What kind of weed was I smoking? Anybody see this? Why do my item IDs go from 1 to 4? What in the actual devil? I mean, it leaves me room for making more items. That's so silly. It is going to be a consumable. It's going to be a heal. It is going to be a 10 effect. And it is going to do that. See, that's the only thing. I thought I turned that off. Oh. Like, inserting parentheses, yes. Sure. It's just importable clashes or functions, sure. But, like... So let's just apply the... Let's just take the autocomplete out entirely, right? Let's delete this because we know what we want it to be. And... It still does it, doesn't it? Yeah, maybe we'll mess around and get VS Code into like a better presentation mode one of these days so that next time we can do this without quite the obnoxious, because that messes me up. It messes me up the way it auto completes the endings. Like... And there's also that too, it's like, yeah, when... Yeah, we'll just leave that as when used, but like the rations are like supposed to be eaten, it's supposed to be food, you know? Okay. And then... what kind of other item would we want? I mean, we can leave it empty for now. I mean, maybe that's why I did it. So I could just add some items in as 2 and 3, but that wouldn't make sense because I could just add them in as you know, like 5 or 6. Did I delete items? I must have made some items and deleted items and then just never updated the item IDs of everything. It was the only explanation I can think of. Oh, right, but it's not going to be... Yeah, because we need to actually put that item into your inventory when you buy the food. Which should just be... We have like an add item... to inventory function. So we should just call that, I believe. We'll do it after cost and right before we update the info play. That should be perfect right here. Oh, hey, hey. Fancy seeing you here. I'm doing Python if you want any advanced knowledge. I mean, I'm about to go on an ad break here in just a second, but do, 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 do. Yeah. Get rid of that. Do, 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 do. This one's pretty funky. See if that works. I don't think it's going to. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No, it's... Oh, yeah, because I don't have like an actual items array, I think is the actual problem. So we could, so we'll do it that way. Right, the iron sword and leather armor are 2 and 3. We want I'm gonna do this. Oh, ad break. I will be right back. Sorry everybody, I do got a tinkle. Okay, we're back. Okay, so I was like, yes, we just added the ration into the add inventory function. So now when we buy food, it should buy an actual item that we can then use later from our inventory. Fantastic. Look at this. Look at these things. Look at how easy that was. I mean, we made a few mistakes along the way, but it's like a tiny nut and a little sausage. Oh yeah. All right, and I was eventually gonna add in like a mayor and do like a talk to the mayor button in the very beginning, so that you could talk to the mayor and he would like send you on a quest, and you would have a quest that you would have to go do. I don't think yeah. Yeah, I didn't add that in either. I was gonna make that in there, huh? And I did do the blacksmith thing. Yeah, and eventually fight a dragon. So it was gonna be like the gist of the base game, you know. Again, this is all more for like practice and learning and stuff. I think yeah, I know, and as much as it feels like abandoning a project, I think I'm just gonna pivot into something else. Cause so what I've been thinking of doing, if I could be candid with everybody. Oh geez. Oh geez. Okay. There we go. I'll show you guys all my stuff. But I've been thinking of doing a pivot, right? I've already kind of started a little bit. Oh, you just missed it. Oh, man. Literally just took an ad break. Just came back from the ad break. I know, I'm just like, fuck, man. Of all the things. So now let's... So I've been thinking about pivoting, right? And instead of it just being like a text-based game in Python, I thought about using Game Maker and changing this whole thing into like a different, I wonder if it'll show the other window when it runs, or if, yeah. There we go. So like I haven't gotten very far. I just started poking at this. And I don't know the game maker engine super well, which also made me think about pivoting to Unity. I haven't worked with Unity in 2D in a long time, but I am a little bit more familiar with Unity. And so like instead of, oh yeah, Casey, I guess you just got here too. So let me just kind of show you here. I know you probably saw a little bit earlier, but like this is, so the original version of this game that I made over a year ago, like was when I started it, was when I was learning web development. So the front end was all React, and then I had like a Postgres database like to that I had attached to it, right? And then in working with like player concurrency and the whole thing being online, and I was like, okay, I'll take a step back, and it was great. I did actually learn a lot about like user authentication and stuff, but then I was like, okay, let's just keep making this text game, but I want to use like a different library. So I started learning Python, and I started like making this little bit, and you can just kind of click around and it like reads, and there's like things you can do. You can go into the forest and fight people. Right. Get some items to your inventory. You can open your inventory, it gives you another little menu. Equip items. Okay, I got +8. So it's just like a tiny little text game, right? But like the story that I had in my head for all of it was like way deeper. So yeah, I'm thinking of just full on, as much fun as this was and as helpful as this was, especially for learning Python indenting. Like how Python indents is just fucking nightmare and a half, dude. I hate it. I hate it so much. But yeah, so then I went online. I've bought some sprites over time. Like I've had some other game projects that I've kind of worked on. I've worked a little bit in Game Maker before and whatnot. So I decided starting this. I started it like a couple days ago and just kind of started getting like a little playground. I need to keep moving forward, and I don't know if this would be as fun to watch because this would involve me like watching tutorials on like the Game Maker engine and shit. So I might pivot it into Unity as well, just because I know the Unity engine a little bit better, and like I've worked with it a little bit more. But yeah, this is I think you're like really kind of the only person here. I haven't even shown Meester this. Meester hasn't even seen like the glimpse of the actual like video game that I've been working on. Got a small sneak peek. Oh, dude, I know, for real. Him and his job and me having like a good enough computer that I do this on my like, you know, personal computer at home and not on my laptop. I did a lot of my game dev stuff on my laptop previously. That's actually where my other like projects live, are on there. And Game Maker does have like source control, obviously. Like you can turn these into GitHub repos, and they're actually really cool the way that the repos work. Like I'm not like positive on the semantics of all of it, but I've used it a little bit with one of my buddies before, and you're able to like, you know, if you put a sprite into the game, Like it obviously it saves that data like into the project in Game Maker, and then like it like you can pull down images and stuff, which I don't think you can normally do. I don't think you do images and video files normally with GitHub. I also could be wrong. I don't fucking know. I don't know GitHub all that well outside of like its version control system. I know Git. I don't know about the web hub as much. I've only really used it for code repositories, so don't quote me on that. You actually probably can use it for like images and shit. Yeah, of course you can. Silly. Ooh, but yeah, man, I'm not gonna lie, it was fun. I'm glad we did a little bit of coding, but man, I might play a little bit of video games too before the stream ends. Just for funsies. Now I want to play games. So I'm still here. This fool comes out of nowhere. Did you have the... I was like, does he have a bot set up to play this game? I freaked out for a second. I was instantaneous. Oh my goodness. That was so funny, dude. I was like just showing Casey. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. Then you might have seen it a little bit, like the game that I'm making in Game Maker. It's like, I think it's the final version of what I'm going to make that text game. I think I'm not necessarily abandoning it, but taking everything I've learned from the online version and the like like the version that I did in JavaScript with like the Postgres database, and the version that I did in Python that I just showed y'all now that I was like working on a little bit just for funsies. I think I'm finally just gonna pivot fully into like a game engine, and I might even just do Unity. Like I started that little bit was in Game Maker and just kind of messed with it a little bit in Game Maker, but I don't know, Unity and Game Maker both, like I've been looking at like how you can release stuff and all these things. But yeah, so I'm actually like finally working on that game. It's that same one that like a year ago you were helping me come up with ideas for, like that same one. And a lot of those ideas are still in the story. Like I need to buy some index cards and like storyboard out like the entire game, and then go through, and I found a really good like asset library on itch.io that has like a lot of really good. I have one whiteboard. It's not like huge, but I have a decent sized one from like when Corey moved out. He left 2 of them here, and Jessica uses one, and then I have one that I think I'll finally just clean it off. I had other game ideas on it from before, but I'll take a picture of those and save the picture, and then just, you know. Why does everybody call me after work? That's so funny. I hear my mom complain about that same thing. So like when I was on vacation last in March visiting my mom, we'd be sitting at home. It would be like after she got off work, she'd be sitting on her computer. We'd just be chilling, watching the news or something, and then her phone would ring, and it'd be like her boss. She'd be like, "Why are you calling me at home?" Probably. I wouldn't be surprised. I was gonna say they're decent. They're decent whiteboards. Probably one of your old whiteboards. what are we gonna play? Because I just can't keep coding. A good 2 hours of like into a project that I'm gonna abandon that version of it, you know? So I think we're just gonna play some video games for a little bit. Oh, that makes sense. With that was that after I moved out, when it was like you and him and Sam. I like that they have really innocuous names, so that I could just say like Corey and Sam, and nobody knows like who I'm talking about. Like there's a billion Corys in the world and a billion Sams in the world. Sam could even be a Samantha. Oh yeah, you did. Yeah, when I was there with she who shall not be named. Is the cheese rolling game free? Of course it is. She never. Yeah. Oh, August 19th? Man, if I had known about this, I'd have played this for my birthday. Oh, right. Sorry. We gotta do this, because Meester's in here. You might be able to help me. I tried to set up my camera like 2 different ways for 2 different scenes, right? I wanted like the little circular camera for I'm in. But yeah, so I have like the little circle setup, right? And then I have the square setup for like the 2 different scenes, but I have to like deactivate the camera in the one and reactivate it in another. Do you know if there's a different way to do that? Is there like a better way for me to do that? Cheese rolling! I'm not paying $1.99 for anything in this game. Are you out of your mind? Yeah, I'll have to just look up a video, because I wanted to do this for like 16:9 games, right? Ooh, yeah, maybe. StreamerBot deal with it. Or, yeah, I'm sure a Stream Deck would. Well, the issue is that it's the same camera. They're not 2 different cameras. And I'm thinking that's what the issue is because I have the camera set up, like, it was weird that it let me do it 2 different ways, but... Yeah. Oh, what's up, Navy Pants? Oh, I was saying, so when I'm in my gameplay scenes, right, I have this my camera set up with the little circle around it, and then when I go to my coding thing, it's the same camera, but what I have to do in order to like get the camera to work is deactivate it in the one scene and then reactivate it in here to get the square version of it. So I have them set as 2 different camera sources in OBS, but they're on the same camera, and it's that's the only, it's like a little bug, and that's the only way I've found for it to like work. So now if I go back to here, right, like my camera's not there and I have to go into my OBS and hit the deactivate and then come back into here and hit activate. Yeah. So it deactivates the camera when the source isn't in use? I didn't know that was an option. So let's see, is that in properties? Oh. Hmm. It's, I was gonna say, so it... Dang. Yeah, I was gonna say, I activated it on both of them. So it kind of does it, because you can see, like, how it pops back on when I come back in, but it doesn't, yeah, it won't, like, reactivate the next one. So you might be right, Meester. I might be able to maybe have StreamerBot do it. It's not like a huge deal. I never really planned too much on flipping back and forth between coding and gameplay. This is more just because I got bored of the coding. I was gonna say, it doesn't have any other, the only checkboxes it has is the deactivate when not showing. Then there's flip vertically, apply rotation data from camera, use hardware decoding when available, and use custom audio device. So I don't see another one in the properties menu. But like I said, not a huge deal. It might just need to be, I might just need like 2 different cameras or something, you know? I don't know. It's whatever. All right, we're gonna be that guy. $30 out of 100. My man. Never played this before. I don't know what I'm getting into. Somebody named Chubby Guy 123. I appreciate that. I also need, oh, that's another thing too, I think, is it even though, yeah, even though they're 2 separate camera sources, yeah, the zoom on the, because in the configuring the video, the zoom still zoomed into the 14. This was the zoom that I had. I just realized, I was like, why am I out of frame constantly? Because it was zoomed in too far on the circle one. Yeah. Yeah, so, but that was the only way you can set up the visuals within a scene. Okay, so maybe I was confused on how to do it then in the video that I watched. Okay, I will look into that. Because yeah, this, on the video that I watched, I thought they said different sources. Maybe they said different scenes, but I thought they were talking about different sources. So that was my bad. I'll have to I'll look it up and look into it. Like I said, it's not like a huge deal. I really don't care all that much. It'd be nice to get it working properly, but I also, if it never works, I don't think I would like have an issue. So it just stopped. I'm just gonna play an offline one so that I can like see what we're about here. Okay. Ah. Whee! Hey, I got it. Yeah, well, I went for it online, but like, I was sitting in that lobby and it just sat there, and then all the people disappeared. I didn't know what happened, so I just wanted to do part of it, but that's let's see. Okay, failed to enter lobby. There we go. Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'll just host my own. See how that goes. Camera can be a scene, and then the scene becomes a source in another scene. Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, who's this guy? Who's this guy in here? Oh, yeah, I forgot to change my thing on, Give me the cheese! Oh, I didn't make settings for the mic chat. All right, just you and me. I overshot it.
Yeah, I got no idea what the fuck's going on.
Oh, good one.
The cheese is fucking.
Look at me snatch that up. Snap up real quick. Go sideways, go sideways.
No!
Oh, oh fuck.
Oh no! It's stuck on my leg. No.
Just keep sliding around. Yes.
Oh
Oh my gosh, this is okay. This is a blast.
Wait, there's a voice chat? What the fuck?
no! No!
Yes!
Dibs.
Oh, it's hugging the wall.
No.
A graveyard.
Yeah.
Oh, who hit the rock? No!
Oh, I overshot it.
Oh, we all jumped in.
Ooh, good one.
Tkinter.
Got it.
Vice for cheating.
Nice, good catch. Whee! The three of us jumped at the same time.
Yeah, we're all farming together.
This game's a blast.
Oh, yeah.
I still don't know how to win. I'm just winning.
Yeah, right.
Grab the cheese. Ah.
Four of us are holding the cheese at once.
Oh, I just overshot it. That was a good catch.
It's not gonna leave in my head.
No, I didn't even actually get it. Snap.
Oh, you snatched that.
He's trying to sabotage you. How did that work?
Ooh.
Two people left.
Oh gosh. I'm stuck on a grave. Oh, I just overshot it.
Change direction. Are you kidding me?
So do the rounds end ever, or did we just keep going until like we decide to stop? Infinite rounds of 10 and then it resets the counter? Okay.
Yeah.
That's fun. It's a bummer when you're the host though, because I'm
Where are you gonna leave?
I'm already pretty bored. It's fun for about 15 minutes.
I have like 7 hours. I just started playing this game yesterday.
Oh, Meester's here. Alright, we're gonna Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm hosting a new one, Meester. Yeah! Alright. Sick. Let's go, guys.
Woo!
Oh.
Did Meester even come down with us?
Howdy.
There you are.
Nah.
My mic.
Oh, I missed it. Come here. Come here.
No. Oh, this is the worst
I
part.
want the cheese, not your foot.
Anyone got
Okay,
the
it's
crown?
fun again, but it's cause I know you guys. It's more fun when it's just people I
No, we
know.
haven't got the crown yet. Spicy had like 9.
Oh, he was one away from a crown.
I was
Yeah, he
winning
had
pretty
like
good.
8, and then some dude caught up to him.
That happened to me yesterday.
Yeah, oh yeah, no, there was that one crab guy who had
Oh,
9.
he's
He
back.
was wicked.
Come here.
Ah,
You know, I did pretty
Oh,
good on that
simple.
last one though.
oh, I went too fast.
I even missed it.
I
It
went
slowed down for it.
cartwheeling.
Yeah, slowing down for it is the hard part when you overshoot it.
I always liked grabbing Spicy when we jumped off the line, just to slow him down. Make sure he didn't get the crown.
Went flying.
Oh, that's what I need to do. I didn't even think about that. There we go. I still have music playing on Spotify.
Kept eluding me.
Get back here.
Just grab my face. Like you're trying to scout me.
Oh,
For real.
Put
I
your
don't know
fingers in
why
my
he
eye
grabbed
holes while
you.
you're at it.
hey.
Come here.
You just went for the bear hug. Oh, you missed it.
Ugh.
Oh, I still got it. Good.
I got pushed.
I fucking kicked the wheel.
Oh, Jesus, take the wheel of cheese.
Staying even.
God, I really want to own a wheel of cheese now.
I
I'm not even mad. I'm impressed.
a real world thing that people do, and they get severely injured doing it. Yes.
You know, you can kind of go before it says roll. You can cheat a little bit. Yeah. You can give yourself like a little head start.
Oh, that's been happening to my work phone for a while. Same group chat, and I keep deleting it. Conversation. Finally ended up just blocking every single chat.
Post
Yeah,
a picture of someone's butt in there. Call it good.
I mute most group chats.
Oh, I barely got that. Getting a full squad now.
Yeah, it's filling up. Here we go.
Yeah, now they're gonna catch up. Oh, I missed it!
Got it.
What the hell? How did I not pick it up?
I like
Right
using
to
a
the hands,
controller.
feet.
I'm using my PS5 controller.
My controller wouldn't hook up yesterday, so for some reason I've just thought you couldn't do controller on this.
Yeah, I genuinely didn't think about it until I just
I love how this
because I've
works
been
with 666.
ooh spooky. It is Halloween season. Man, got it.
Oh, get it.
Yeah!
We're fighting for it. Fuck!
Ah, just barely. Oop. Alley-oop. Yeah.
Man!
Spicy's
Now.
gonna get a crown.
Hey, he's about to get the crown.
Maybe, I don't know. Once I got 8 last time, I couldn't get any more. I started losing real bad.
Yes. Yes.
Ah, the graveyard.
Oh man, where did you come from? I think you flew like right over me. Got pushed.
Ooh,
No, Spicy!
just barely touched it.
Give me my cheese!
Ah,
Oh, God.
It's neck and neck. Fuck!
Iraq will what?
IRIV soon? I'm not sure.
Revalue their currency
Reduce it 9/11.
or reinstate it, just like Kuwait did.
Fair enough.
Too focused, quiet. Give me that ass.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, finally.
Oh.
Sorry, Maester, I was holding Spicy back for you.
Never gonna have the crown.
I grabbed his butt off the finish line.
It was pretty hot. I did like it.
That's payback for grabbing my face.
Oh!
I did, yeah, I
man.
did grab your face.
Had it like 2 seconds before me.
Oh, that's not. I wanted to grab Casey. Grabbed the wrong person.
Gee. Oh man, we were all neck and neck.
Man, our Rex is catching
As
up.
long as Spicy doesn't get it, we're fine.
Yeah, for real. As long as I don't get it. Oh, oh, oh! I was so close. I got so close.
Damn, Iraq over here.
I only have
Come
like
back.
I only have like 40 minutes in this. I don't know how I'm getting it. Truly a fluke.
This is my first time playing too.
Cheese hacks.
I had a really
He's got them cheese hacks.
I think I got like 20 in a row. It was nuts.
No, don't let Spicy get it. No.
I was so close.
I know it bounced right over you.
I know. I could see my victory slip through my fingers.
Oh, I'm in the lava.
No, the cheese. Oh shit, it's 3-way now.
Dude. Here it goes.
Last wheel
This
wins.
is the one. This is the one.
Oh, I touched it! Bullshit! No!
I went past.
No! Oh no, it's gonna be a 4-way.
Oh man, it's getting tight.
Skip pretty tight, guys.
I was hoping so excited about a wheel of cheese.
Yeah!
There it is. There it is. We got the crown.
Cheese.
I got an achievement too for rolling the cheese wheel.
Oh wow, this game's actually got achievements.
That's the only one I've gotten so far. Getting the crown.
I landed right on top of it. Oh.
Oh, sniped. Straight up
He just came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
That cheese aimbot, dude, works.
Cheesy about it. Gonna have to report you to the devs for cheating in a cheese wheel game.
It's okay. I'm using a VPN.
Yeah, you'll be fine. I bet these developers anti-cheat is like top notch though. I'd be worried.
A nice pile.
The pile in the corner from the cheese. I can't stop for the cheese wheel.
I do like that little noise it gives you when the end of the round happens.
Yeah, I kind of want to count it.
Yeah, just that like booloop, booloop.
Flew too close to the cheese.
Bee.
I'm focusing too much on sabotage and not on cheese grab.
You gotta give him a quick ass grab and then run.
Focusing too much on
Almost.
sabotage.
Give me my cheese.
No, in the
That was a nice
fire.
bounce.
hate it when we come in on that.
Yeah, that's my favorite level, I think.
You're staying with me. Oh, I just missed it.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, we're all fumbling around it. Oh, we're all fumbling around it like idiots.
get the cheese!
Yes! Finally!
That was a good one.
My first of this round.
Oh, about to get that crown.
No!
Oh, stop it.
No.
Watch him still get
I
it.
like how we all have
He
the same
might.
thought.
Hold on now.
Stop Iraq.
I tried, but he still might get it. And he got it!
Oh, got it. We got a new crown in
That's my
town.
second crown.
Nice.
Jesus.
It's
You got
that
a
240
very
hertz
particular
monitor.
Set of skills. You have skills in grabbing cheese.
The only skill he's got is grabbing cheese.
That's right.
It's a good skill to have. We're just gonna lay down on this one. Stayed at the top this time. Staying at the top. No, stay up here. Yes. And you're staying with me this time. I love that you can just straight tackle people.
Sabotage.
Yes! It
No.
works so good too.
I mean, come on, you are 4 to the rest of us. Hi there, Spicy. Hi. Get
Hello.
off of me!
I've been intentionally staying at the top on all of these. I'm just gonna try to keep somebody with me the whole time.
Right on top of the cheese wheel.
I skydived it.
Absolutely killing it.
Gotcha.
You and me, down the hill.
Yes. Like Jack and Jill. Nah,
Help
you
me,
just happen to be the
help me,
one next to me.
help
I'm
me.
sorry. So sorry.
It's okay. I'm too good anyways.
They put me on the
I need to be
outside.
stopped.
Oh, here we go.
Son of a gun.
Yeah, I know what you mean, Meester. I focus too much on sabotage and not on grabbing the cheese wheel.
I'm just gonna keep an eye out for who's next to me now. Make sure it's not Spicy.
I will grab you.
If he's next to you, it's already too late.
Yeah, it's already too late. Uh-oh.
Help me! Somebody help me! We go together.
Yeah.
I love how my limp body slid across the ice. You and me together.
It's about to be.
I just love watching someone come in and just deck you. You just stand there holding the cheese wheel and someone comes in and knocks you the fuck out.
Yeah. Gotcha.
I saw it coming too.
I can't help myself.
I feel like I'm missing some sort of strat here.
Stop grabbing people.
I was
I
gonna.
haven't tried to sabotage in a while.
That's why I was doing really bad on that last one. Is I just can't stop sabotaging people.
A lot when you're next to the wheel, your arms come out towards it.
Whee!
Ha! You're all alone now.
I know, nobody to grab.
Finally got one on.
See, it's fun to drag people to the ground. You get
It
me.
is.
Yeah, it's. I don't even care about the wheel of cheese anymore. That's not my
It's
game.
actually more fun.
Such a goofy little game. Spicy. I was telling everyone while I was playing this on stream yesterday. This is like right in line with jousting game. That
Yes, yes. This is like very much like the same idea.
yeah, in the same vein of
Yeah.
loose physics and just overall goofy.
Yeah, the walking movement is just about how I imagined it would look.
Same.
Like in our version, yeah, like the kind of wonky, just like floaty. Yeah.
One of these days we gotta get on that.
Yeah, I do actually wanna complete that at some point. Cheese wheel!
Mark's killing it.
Not anymore. I got him. I held him back for you guys.
Touch for half a second.
Damn! That was like a wrestling move.
Wrestling move. Got me by the neck and slammed me down.
Whoa. Damn.
I didn't see your name till it was too late. Wait,
You
I still
never
have
know
him.
what the spicy pork is cooking.
Yes! I still got it.
Oh, brother.
Grab that at the same.
Body
Well,
slam.
half the game now.
Not only do you have to catch the cheese,
Yeah, I had a whole new level to this. You gotta avoid me doing my wrestling moves on you. Cause you never know what I'm bringing to the house. You've got 3 minutes with me, brother. It is now the funnest part of the game.
Right first, and you're on my left.
Oh, Dr. J. Bah. Oh, it's a body slam.
No, I got you.
I know. I couldn't decide whether to go for you or Meester because I was in between the both of you guys. Oh no, brother! Get down here.
Buddy learned how to catch cheese.
Oh, body
You're
slam!
coming with me. No, you're staying here.
Mwah.
Some seriously good wrestling moves.
Thank you. Mwah. I got the arm bar. I'm gonna hurt my throat trying to do this Randy Savage impression.
Tap out, damn it! Tap out!
We're going for the kayfabe.
What is this? Some ballerina shit now?
Oh man.
Spicy, I think they're running.
Yeah, I actually decided to go for the cheese this time, which was weird. I threw even myself off. Armbar!
Güey, no voy a leer otra vez, güey. O sea, la vez pasada.
Yeah.
Wow, I missed the body slam. Oh, get body slammed. Oh, I missed it.
From out of nowhere.
Bam! Got one finally. Body slam.
No, I hate that. Ooh, 9 to 9.
Still got it though.
Nope, not today, brother.
Son of a bitch.
I had to run around people to get you.
I saw that.
Cheese! Give me a cheese!
No!
Cheese!
What the meester's cooking.
Smell like bitch in here.
Smells like bitch in here. Body slam. It's for you have to get the people like right as they jump in the air because then you can grab them and just bring them right into the ground.
Got him!
Oh man.
Alrighty, boys, I'm hopping off. Oh,
Alrighty.
Jesus. See you guys.
See you later. Oh, yeah, I should probably go soon. I gotta eat something soon. It's about 3.5 hours.
The lobby's dipping out. One more tumble. One more
yeah, no, I was gonna say I got a few more in me. A few more tumbles in me.
Oi.
Aye! Oh, I was right on top of it. Come on. Got it.
Okay, more.
Oh, come on. I was touching it. Oh.
Alright. Now we go.
Oh, man. No, it was really fun, though. Oh, man. Yeah, I probably will hit the ending screen, though. Yeah, that one was really fun. If you're trying to do that tomorrow or more later, or tomorrow or Thursday, I'm down. Yeah, I had a blast with that, but I'm sweaty and smelly and I need to eat and I'm tired, but yeah, I'll text you, bro. See if there's anybody to raid out to. Perfect. There we go.